Find the limits by using the substitution method. Every time they ask you to find a limit, there are three methods to use. The first method is called the substitution method. The second method is called the factoring method. And the last method is called the rationalizing method. It's always go into this order. If the first method doesn't work, then you try the second method. If the second method doesn't work, then you try the rationalizing method. So for this limit problem, let's say that they ask you to find the limit as it approaches 5 for this whole limit expression. So the first method you need to try is the substitution method. The substitution method is the same thing as a plug-in method. What I mean by that is you take the 5 and you plug it into every variable that you see from the given. So you plug in 5 for every x that you see from the given problem. That's how you do the substitution method. So for this particular given problem, you just substitute the 5 into each variable. So 5 raised to the third power plus 2 times 5 raised to the second power plus 4 times 5, because every x that you see on the given, you plug it into 5. That's how you do the substitution method. And minus 5, because there's no x right here, you cannot substitute any number in there, so you just put -5. As for x to the second, you plug in the 5 and raise to the second power, plus 5 and plus 4. So once you plug in all the 5 in the given expression, all you need to do is do algebra, simple algebra. 5 times 5 times 5 is 125 plus 2 times 25, because 5 times 5 raised to the second power is the same thing as 25. So 25 times 2 equals to plus 50, plus 4 times 5, which is 20, then minus 5. So 5 raised to the second power is 25, plus 5 and plus 4. So what you need to do right here, just do simple addition and subtraction. Once you do all that, you will, on the numerator, you will get 190, and on the denominator is 34. Once you get this answer, that means you're done with the problem of these limits by using the substitution method. Since the substitution method comes out to be a constant number, that means you don't need to try the factoring method or the rationalizing method. So you're basically done with this problem once you have a constant answer.